Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Today we are going to revise kinds of letters. There are three kinds of letters: sky letters, grass letters and root letters. The letters which are written in upper three lines are called sky letters. The letters which are written in middle two lines are called grass letters. The letters which are written in lower three lines are called root letters. Let's start an activity with me. Circle the words starting with sky letter. Look at the first word. The first word is bag. The starting letter of bag is sky letter. So we circle it. Students, B is a sky letter. Look at the next word. The second word is cat. Cat is starting with letter C. C is not sky letter. Look at the next word. The next word is hat. Hat starting with letter H. H is sky letter. So we circle it. Now look at the next word. The next word is key. Key is starting with letter K. K is sky letter. We will circle it. Look at the next word. Next word is ink. Ink is starting with letter I. I is not sky letter. Now look at the next word. Next word is dog. Dog is starting with letter D. D is sky letter. So we will circle it. We will complete it. Now move on next. Color the words having root letters in them. Look at this word. This word is door. There is no root letter in it. Now look at the next word. Next word is mug. In this word, G is root letter. We will color in it. Look at the next word. Next word is table. There is no root letter in this word. Now look at the next one. Next word is jeep. In this word, J and P are both root letters. We will color in it. Now look at the next one. The next word is egg. In this word, G is root letter. Color it. Now look at the next word. Next word is bell. In this word, there is no root letter. The next one is kite and there is no root letter in it. Look at the next one. Next word is boat and P is root letter. We will color it. Now the next one, write any 6 grass letters. Let's start writing grass letters. First letter is A. The next one is, I will write O here. You can write any grass letter. I will write I, M, S and the last W. Do practice of this. Allah Hafiz, stay blessed.